everyone, it's Katia with Lunar Sun Creations. I have another album to share with you. This one, it's another red, black, and white. It's been a popular request as of late. It is a custom album, but I am going to be doing a tutorial for it as well. The tutorial will probably take me about 3 weeks to a month to complete. They are really time consuming. I clocked my hours, and on average each tutorial takes me about 130, 140 hours to do. So be patient with me, it is in the works. So I hope you love this tutorial and like it, share it, thumbs up it. Thumbs up it? You know what I mean. Subscribe for more, and I'll be seeing you again soon. Big hugs, you guys are amazing. Have an awesome day. Okay, so this is the album. It's quite a large one. It is about 9 inches by 11 inches high with a 4.5-inch spine. It has an elastic closure here and vinyl on the sides with one of those domed embellishments on the spine. And you open it up. It's, as always, going to be hard to keep in frame, but I will do my best. Apologies, I do have a little bit of a cold, so my voice might not quite sound normal. Okay, so on the first page, just a simple open, and then it's also a large belly band, and that is a nice little flip out, and then it is there's magnets underneath here to kind of hold this in place. When this pull out is in place, the page will not open. But as soon as you pull it out, it allows this to flip up. So see, this is the second area where this goes through. So behind here, it goes through here as well. So enabling, so you can't open this when this is in. So at the top here, this is the other part of that belly band. Okay, and then this folds down and opens down. It's just white there, and opens up. And it is a pocket down here. And then this is also a pocket. Okay, and then this goes back in and goes through both parts of that belly band, and then kind of just magnets there. And then the next page. Okay, so on the next page, this is a little framelit, so I've just cut that out so you can kind of measure what size picture you would need to put in there. And this is a magnetic swing tab, so when you open that, it flips open like this and then actually pulls all the way up. And then this opens to the side, and this opens down, and this is a pocket. And then on this side, 2 swing tabs, and this folds down. And this goes up like that, and so each of these is a pocket. Alright, so you can stick nice large tags or cards. The woman getting, the customer getting this wanted it for cards as opposed to pictures, so this will fit perfectly. Most cards are 5x7, so that will fit pretty much perfectly. Okay, and then the next page. Okay, so for this one, I've done this once before. So like that. And now this can open. So there's a big pocket here with a tag, another pocket up here with tags. And then you can journal on these areas and flip it all back. And now it is locked. And then over here, this is a magnet closure. So you open this to the side, this goes to the side, this goes to the other side. And then over here, these both open to the side, and then these are both pockets. And then on the next set of pages, so this is a nice large pocket here, and then this opens to the left, and then the whole thing swivels, and then this opens to the left and opens up. And then this swivels back and magnetizes there. And then on this page, that opens up. And then these open to, oh, that one opens up and to the side. There we go. I knew it opened to the side somehow. So open to the side and to the side. And this is a nice big pocket here. And then this whole part opens to the side again. And then, what else happened? Oh, and then that opened to the side that way, and there's another pocket. Okay, so it goes up, open, open, pocket, open that way, open that way, pocket. And then on the last pages, so this one, there's a little ribbon here, and you pull on it, and it kind of flips this open. There's a very strong magnet, it doesn't want to pull very well, so that flips open like that. And then it also opens to the sides. And then the whole thing opens like that. And like that. And then this is just like has a bit of dimension to it. And this is a pocket with a tag there. And then you can kind of stuff things underneath if you so desire. Just gives it a little bit of extra dimension. And then just simple on the back. So it can hold quite a few I made it so that it was mostly large spaces because she wanted it for cards, so it will have a lot of space for 5 by 7 areas, like large areas for large cards. You could also, easily use this for pictures as well, but it was intended for cards. And then it closes back up like that. Here's the back. Awesome! I hope you like this album, and I will see you again soon. Big hugs!